my friends! Today, we will learn many new and exciting words that start with the letter S. Take a cozy seat, relax your shoulders, and get ready to explore the world around us. We're going to look at each word slowly and carefully so you can hear every sound. Let's begin our fun learning journey together. Here is the sun shining bright in the sky, lighting up everything around us. It gives warmth to our skin and helps plants grow strong and healthy. Every morning, the sun rises to wake up the world and fill it with light. Without the sun, our days would be cold, dark, and very quiet. This is a star far away in space, glowing like a tiny light in the night sky. Stars shine for millions of years and come in different sizes and colors. When we look up at night, we can see groups of stars forming beautiful constellations. Here is a snake moving quietly along the ground, sliding smoothly without any legs. Snakes use their long bodies to travel through grass, sand, and even trees. Some snakes have bright patterns that help them stay safe from danger. This is a spider with 8 tiny legs, working carefully to build its delicate web. Its web stretches like a shiny net that catches insects flying by. Spiders use their webs both as a home and as a tool for finding food. Here is a snowman made from soft winter snow, standing proudly in the cold. Kids roll big snowy balls to make the body, then add a scarf, a hat, and a funny smiling face. Snowmen bring happiness to winter days and make the chilly weather feel magical. This is a ship sailing across wide blue waters, moving gently with the waves. Ships help people travel to new places and explore faraway lands. Some ships carry goods, while others bring passengers on long adventures. With the wind and the ocean guiding them, ships make every journey exciting. Here is a seal resting on a rock after swimming in the cool ocean water. Seals are fast, playful animals that love diving deep to find food. They make cute sounds and enjoy being together in groups. Watching seals reminds us how full of life and energy the sea can be. This is a seashell lying on the sandy beach, shaped perfectly by the waves. Seashells come in spirals, curves, and patterns that make each one unique. Kids love collecting them and listening to the soft ocean sound inside. Here is a strawberry that's bright, red, juicy, and sweet. Strawberries grow on small green plants and ripen under warm sunlight. Their tiny seeds cover the outside of the fruit, giving them their special look. Great job today! You learned many fun and colorful words that all begin with the letter S, each with its own story and meaning. When you listen closely and imagine clearly, learning becomes an adventure. I'm proud of your curiosity, and I can't wait to explore more words together next time. Bye-bye.